Join me in prayer right now, and let's call upon the name of the Lord for releasing and breakthrough.
This quick prayer will teach you how to manifest all your desires, once and for all. Sadly, most people pray incorrectly, but this is not their fault. Religions have misinterpreted how we should communicate with God. The Bible states that those who beg in prayer are not heard by God. Jesus said in John 14, "Whoever sees me sees the Father." He said this to confirm what God told Moses in the Old Testament. God is everything, in Jesus Christ, and in you. Only when you understand this can you pray correctly. God is within you, listening to you. You are a physical manifestation of God on this planet, so you must understand that God dwells within you, and you are the creator of your life. Instead of begging God for your desires, move forward with courage, knowing that you are a child of God, and it is your divine right to have what you want. Once you have a clear idea of what you want, it will be given to you. To hold what you desire, you must believe that you can obtain it and have faith that it will come to you sooner or later. The prayer that will attract to you everything you desire says, "Dear God, I acknowledge that I am your child and that you reside within me. As a manifestation of your divine presence, I have the right to create the life I desire. I trust that as you are a part of me, I have everything I need, including an abundance of money, a perfect home, and all the blessings I deserve. I am grateful for everything you have given me and for the knowledge that you are guiding me towards my desired life. I am confident that I can achieve my goals as long as I believe in myself and have faith in you. I visualize having the perfect job, a comfortable home in a safe and friendly neighborhood, and a bank account overflowing with money that I can use to shop, save, and give to those in need. I am healthy, and my body functions well, allowing me to live the most incredible experiences on this planet. I am surrounded by loving and supportive family and friends who vibrate at the same level as me, seeking the same purpose. I am happy because I know the truth, and I am grateful for the abundance of love that you provide me with. I strive to serve my employers, pastors, family, and others with excellence and integrity. I believe that my actions can have a positive impact on their lives, and I hope to contribute to their well-being in meaningful ways. I trust that any blessings or increase in possessions that may come their way are a result of God's grace and goodness, rather than any merit of my own. I am grateful for the opportunity to serve others and make a positive difference in their lives. I will not allow religious traditions to dictate my relationship with God. I understand that it takes resources to further God's kingdom. Therefore, I submit myself to God's will, trusting that He will lift me up when the time is right. I have faith that I will progress towards greater and more significant things in my life. May it always be so. Amen.
Type Amen if you believe in miracles. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.